All right, for our ongoing class, we are learning the great song Goody Goody from 1935. We're doing this in a rock groove, which is quite different from the other versions, but hey, why not? This is going to be our baseline video play and sing along. And as the session progresses, we're going to be adding a lot of fancy stuff to this, but just playing this chart as is going to be pretty cool as well. We're in the key of C, it's 4/4 time. Our starting note is a G. And here's our tempo. We're going to go at 115 beats per minute, so we are slowing it down just a little bit, and we'll pick up the tempo as we go along. A 1, 2, 3, 4. So you met someone who set you back on your heels. Goody, goody. You met someone and now you know how it feels. A goody, goody. So you gave her your heart too, just as I gave mine to you, and she broke it in little pieces. Now how do you do? You lie awake just singing the blues all night. Goody, goody, and you think that love's a barrel of dynamite. Hooray and hallelujah, you had it coming to ya. Goody, goody for her. Oh, oh, goody, goody for me. And I hope you're satisfied, 'cause you got yours. La 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 la. Goody, goody. La 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 la. A goody, goody. So you gave her your heart too, just as I gave mine to you, and she broke it in little pieces. Now how do you do? Oh, you lie awake just singing the blues all night. Goody, goody, and you think that love's a barrel of dynamite. Oh, hooray, hallelujah, you had it coming to ya. Goody, goody for her. A goody, goody for me. Your love has been denied. You've been taken for a ride, and I hope you're satisfied,